Here are the effects of a single customer transaction. First is the marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion is a set of activities to share knowledge about a particular brand, product, or service with as many people as possible with the aim of increasing brand awareness and sales. Second is the inventory management. Inventory management refers to the process of ordering. The third is the sales analysis. A sales analysis is a detailed report that shows a business's sales performance as well as the customer data and generated revenue. The fourth is the credit card payment. A credit card payment is a payment card issued to user to enable the card holder to pay a merchant for goods and services. Fifth is the consumer database. Think of a consumer database as an interactive and intelligent contact list. Your database stored valuable information about your customer. The sixth is the warehouse. Warehouse transactions are broadly defined as an element of work that takes place in a distribution center. And the last one is the recording merchandise. Recording merchandise reflects the total amount paid for products that are yet to be sold.
Why IT in retail? The importance of information technology in retail stems from the importance of data. The following things show how the information helps the retailer. First is efficient stocking of merchandise. The items purchased provide information on merchandise sold in the store. Second, collection of data. The use of technology aids data collection. This information helps the retailer distinguish the customers who shop at his store frequently and also reward them. Third, efficiency in operations. The use of information technology serves as a basis for integrating the functioning of various departments. And lastly, it helps communication. Communication within organization can be faster with the use of software. Factors affecting the use of IT. Sale and scope of operations, the financial resources available, the nature of business, and lastly, HR availability.
Information technology is the capability to electronically input, process, store, output, transmit, and receive data information. New technologies involved in retailing are radio frequency identification, smart operating solution or smart ops, and point of sales. The result indicates that retail complexities may reduce with the help of information technology solutions. The right solution can result in improved productivity and major cost saving through key advantages as more as accurate such as supply chain, forecasting, and better inventory management. Information technology also helps retailers to solve major problems related in customer service, like customer loyalty and customer satisfaction. The supply chain involves a series of steps involved to get a product or services to the customers. The step includes moving and transforming raw materials into finished products, transporting those products and distributing them to the end users. These entities involved in the supply chain include producers, vendors, warehouse, transportation companies, distribution centers, and retailers. The elements of a supply chain include product development, market operations, distribution networks, finance, and customer service. There are many different links in this chain that require skills and expertise. When supply chain management is effective, it can lower a company's overall cost and boost profitability.
Framework for Analyzing Issues in Supply Chain Management, or SCM. It is an essential supporting structure that the retailer must examine in order to solve the problem with regards to supply chain. We have 4 areas to check upon too: strategic, structural, functional, and implementation. In strategic, we have customer service. Some organizations don't think that this has anything to do with supply chain, but the truth is, supply chain only completes if the product reach the customer. In terms of structural, first, the channel design. It is the way which businesses deliver product to the customer. The second is network design. It is the process of building and modeling to understand the cost and the time associated in bringing the goods to the market. In functional, we have warehouse design and operation. It has something to do with the stocking, and it is prone to mistakes due to redundancy, poor and messy facility layout, inaccurate inventory, poor preparedness in seasonal demand, and poor damage control. Next is transportation management. It has something to do with logistics, shipping process, distance, and cost. And lastly, the material management. It tackles about the nature of the product and the material scarcity. In implementation, we have information system. It is the foundation of supply chain process to execute transaction. It is an interrelated data used in demand forecasting. Second is policies and procedures. It is the steps and the guidelines to follow. Facilities and equipment. It is the place and the tools where the product are made, stored, consumed, or sold. The last is categories and change management. It is a breakdown of goods into distinct groups of similar and related goods.
Kill a brand, keep a customer. Customer service. Customer service is a task other than proactive selling that involves interaction with customers in person or by telecommunication, mail, or automated process. It is designed, performed, and communicated with two goals in mind, namely operational production and customer satisfaction. Customer service focuses on measurement of how well a firm meets the established performance standards that are viewed as important for meeting customer needs. On the other hand, customer satisfaction is how the customers measure externally the service or performance of a firm.
The next one is customer service. Retail mix like product, price, days promotion can be duplicated or copied by competitors. The total experience such as image of the store, ambience, music, and level of service offered that the customer gets in the store stay unique. There are 5. First, identify the key customers and listen and respond to them. Second, define superior service and establish a service strategy. Third, set standards and measure performance. Fourth, select, train, and empower employees to work for their customer. And lastly, fifth, recognize and reward accomplishments.
Use the gap model of service quality, which helps to identify the gaps between customer expectation and the actual services provided at different stages of service delivery, and to close the gap and improve the customer service. There are 5 common gaps in service quality, and the first one is the customer gap that arises when customer expectation, the product they think that can offer them is different from what is actually delivered in the marketplace. Then the second one is the knowledge gap, which happens when the idea of business products is significantly different to the expectation of the customers. Then the third one is policy gap that exists in management and correct translation of the service policy into rules and guidelines for employees, which leads the customers to seek similar product with a better service elsewhere. And the fourth one is delivery gap that happens when the organization has the service required to support consumers but have subsequently failed to train their employees, put good processes and guidelines in action. And then the last one is the communication gap that arises when the company's over-promising advertisement does not match the actual service delivery and leads the consumer to be disappointed because the promised services does not match the expected service.
Customer Relationship Management or CRM is a technology for managing all your company's relationships and interaction with customers and potential customers. The goal is very simple: improve business relationships. A CRM system helps companies stay connected to the customers, streamline processes, and improve profitability. A Customer Relationship Management or CRM solution helps you find new customers, win their business, and keep them happy by organizing customer and prospect information in a way that helps you build stronger relationship with them and grow your business faster. CRM systems start by collecting a customer's website, email, telephone, social media data, and more across multiple sources and channels. It may also automatically pull in other information such as recent news about the company's activity, and it can store personal details such as a client's personal preferences on communications. The CRM tools organizes this information to give you a complete record of individuals and companies overall, so you can have a better understanding of your relationship over the time.
How CRM benefits retailers. The benefits of the CRM in the retail sector is that it strengthens customers' loyalty. It also improves companies' performance and spend less money on ineffective marketing. For example, if a customer needs product choice, the retailer traditionally provides range selection, and the CRM benefits customer by enabling tailored range. If a customer needs access, the retailer traditionally provides channel choice, and CRM benefits customer by enabling consistent experience. If a customer needs support, the retailer provides information and the CRM enhances its service. If a customer needs individual treatment, the retailer provides a good customer service and the CRM enable one-to-one relationship. If a customer needs value, the retailer traditionally provides scale efficiencies and the CRM benefits customer by enabling customer-defined value.
Customer segmentation in retail. It is a process by which the customers are divided into identifiable groups based on their product or service requirements. The three segments under customer segmentation: first is lower value segment, second, growable segment, and third, most valued segment. Examples in the lower value segments are in-store POS or point of sale, advertisement, and merchandising. In a growable segment, there are targeted direct mail and added value services. The purpose of targeted direct mail is to help you effectively connect with potential buyers who are more likely to want and need what you sell. Added value services, it is performed to meet customers' demand. In most valuable segment, there is tailored cross-learning based relationship. In a cross-training, it gives a chance to build a new relationship with people they might otherwise never have contact with.